Let's talk about the Base Plus membership with 128. Just like your AAA membership for your car, the Base Plus offers peace of mind in an emergency and has benefits that go with it. Base Plus members get half off arrival rates on service calls, front-of-the-line scheduling, 10% off repairs, extended warranties, loyalty points on future services, and booking reminders. Members also get 3 exclusive visits at no cost: an electrical safeguard check, a plumbing safeguard check, and a sewer certification visit, where we check the critical areas in your home and the things that you don't think about, like your plumbing and electrical safety, your fixtures, your main sewer line, and carbon monoxide levels to get ahead of future emergencies. Members also get access to the SmartSignal product line. Unlike any other home automation line out there, it all starts with our Z-Wave cellular-enabled smart thermostat hub, which can detect heat and AC issues before it happens and send you alerts. Other SmartSignal products include smart water sensors and valves to track and turn off your home's water, door locks and doorbells, light switches and plugs, and more to give you access to control your home right from your phone. All of these benefits are available at just $15 a month. For an additional $5 a month per system, get yearly maintenance on your gas or electric heating, air conditioning, generator, water heater, drain clearing, and water filtration system. We can't wait to help you with your home's plumbing, heating, air conditioning, electrical, and drains, and we're proud to be the top choice for Massachusetts homeowners. Become a Base Plus member with us today at call128.com.